Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be continuing fuels. So today we'll be seeing analysis of coal, and there are two types of analysis of coal. So first is proximate analysis and the second is ultimate analysis. So we'll discuss first proximate analysis. So the analysis of moisture content, volatile matter content and fixed carbon and ash content of a coal is proximate analysis. So we'll discuss all the four methods. So first, moisture content, so let me add definition. 1 to 2 gram of powdered coal powder is taken in a dry and accurately weighed crucible and heated up to 105 degrees Celsius for about an hour, for 1 hour, and then the crucible is cooled over concentrated H2SO4. So by doing this we'll get the moisture control percentage, moisture control content, that will be equals to W minus W1 by W into 100%. So where W is the weight of coal powder, and W1 is the weight of coal powder at 105 degrees Celsius for heating about 1 hour. So by doing this we can calculate the moisture content in a coal. Now second, the volatile matter content. So this time I will write in short form. So 1 to 2 gram of coal powder, is taken in a platinum crucible and heated about 950 degrees Celsius for 7 minutes, and it is cooled and weighed in similar manner. So by doing this we can get the percentage volatile matter content is Vm, that will be W1 minus W2 by W into 100. So these are a series of steps. First you need to do moisture, then volatile, and afterward I will discuss the next steps. So here W is this, W1 is this, and W2 will be weight of coal after heating for weight of coal 950 degrees Celsius heating and 7 minutes. I am writing in short. So next is the ash and fixed carbon content. So again definition, 1 to 2 gram of powdered coal is taken in platinum crucible is taken in a platinum crucible with lid and is carefully heated to remove all the volatile matter content. Then the lid is removed, and strongly heated at 700 to 750 degrees Celsius until all the carbonaceous burns away, until all carbon burns away and ash remains. Now it is cooled in a desiccator, cooled in desiccator over concentrated H2SO4. So now we'll see the formula for percentage ash content. This is weight of crucible plus lead weight plus ash weight minus weight of crucible plus lead upon weight of coal powder into 100%. This will be the percentage ash. Now percentage fixed carbon, this will be 100 minus percentage moisture content plus percentage volatile matter content plus percentage ash content. So this were the analysis. This was the approximate analysis of coal. Thanks for watching it.